Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can upgrade your team on NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone. So this is how the homepage looks like. Right here in the bottom, you're gonna find my team, auctions, achievements, objectives, and lastly sets. Go ahead and click on my team, and then you're gonna see your team right here in my lineups. So basically guys, right here in the bottom left corner, you're gonna find your jerseys. So for me, I have the Lakers jerseys, and right here you're gonna find your active boosts. So my boost that I'm using right now is this boost that can boost your money. And right here, if you click, for example, in any player, you're gonna find right here all of the informations related to this player. For example, if I click right here next to Davis, you're gonna find his athleticism, inside scoring, rebounding, outside scoring, post offense, defense, and so on. And if you scroll down, you're gonna find the speed, the agility, the dunking, layup, and so on. Right here, also you're gonna find some players that you can change, for example, like this. And right now I'm gonna go back. And if you click on view all items, right here you're gonna find your players. And next to it, you're gonna find your boost items. So click here, and if you have any boost items, you can use it in order to boost your player. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.